When a person signs up for an EMBA program, he or she frequently has three things in mind. Firstly, is broaden one's knowledge, skills, and expertise in the classroom. Secondly, we often hear participants wanting to broaden their network. And finally, a lot of our participants actually want to make progress in their already stellar career.
The Strategic Career Management Program in Nanyang EMBA focuses on creating strategies for leaders like myself to achieve our long-term career goals and guide us to acquire the necessary skills, knowledge, and experience to fulfill our aspiration.
Thanks to all the support and coaching, lectures, and also the practice in the lecture, I was able to design my career plan better today.
So how do we deliver much more value beyond what we are already delivering? It was about marrying theories with practice, and that's how the module came about.
The program has a one-on-one coaching session, and my coach was very helpful for me to identify what business I want to do in the future. And also she advised me in short term what I can do, and also the goal, skill, and what I should do long term. So the program itself was very meaningful.
One of the most memorable experiences that I have was when one of the coaches was talking about communications that changed my perspective in terms of engaging my audiences in this new world. It made me more aware of the importance of engaging my audiences in a hybrid environment, and in turn pushes me to be a stronger communicator.
There are many cases of success, and in fact, every single person has a success story. One participant who actually connected with his or her junior to develop a new business. And when I asked him how he was able to do that, he told me it was because of the realization of the inner desire and the inner passion that he got from those intimate conversations that he had with his career coach that gave him the courage to take on something that he would never have done before.
Leadership today is, for me, cultivating a culture of growth mindset, because the world is changing rapidly, so is the business environment. In this kind of very uncertain situation, past successful experience may not be applied to today's business case. I believe that leaders need to keep learning new things.
The three things that we are trying to develop our participants to become better leaders are: number one, awareness of self. So without understanding what your true potential and your strengths are, it's kind of difficult to become a much more effective leader. The second quality is around humility. The humility to want to make change within yourself based on what you have discovered in the first stage of better awareness of self. And finally, is the courage to be able to take on new challenges and to make the changes that will make you a much more effective leader in the workplace.
I want to be remembered as a leader who always make effort to change the world better.
There is a Chinese saying, the one true mark of success for a teacher is when one student surpasses oneself. That is my most desirable outcome as a leader.